The West Indies have taken a 1-0 lead after completing a thrilling 4-wicket win over Pakistan in the first game of their 3-match one-day international series played at the Providence Stadium in Guyana on Friday. Jason Mohammed made an unbeaten 91 to guide the West Indies to victory, batting second as they successfully chased 309 runs with 1 over to spare. Kyron Powell, 61, Evan Lewis, 47 and Ashley Nurse, 34 also made significant contributions for the West Indies. Earlier, Pakistan, who were sent into bat, were led by half-centuries from Mohammad Hafiz, Ahmed Shehzad and Shoaib Malik as they rattled up 308 for 5. Hafiz top-scored with 88 and shared in an 89-run fourth-wicket partnership with Shoaib, who got to 53. Earlier, opener Ahmed Shehzad, 67, and Kamran Akmal, 47, put on 85 runs for the first wicket of 15 overs. Ashley Nurse was the pick of the West Indies bowlers, grabbing 4 for 62, while captain Jason Holder took 1 for 58. The second game will be played on Sunday at the same venue.